The story of Abbas ibn Firnas, the boy who dreamed of flight. Once upon a time, when Abbas ibn Firnas was just a young boy, he stood alone under a clear blue sky. He would lift his head, eyes sparkling with wonder, as he watched the birds soaring freely above. He often wondered to himself, how do these creatures fly? And why can't humans do the same? He wasn't like other children. While they were busy playing and running around, he was busy thinking, observing, and dreaming. Days passed, and Abbas grew older, but that one question never left his mind. He continued to watch the birds, studying their movements and imagining himself gliding through the air just like them. One day, he stood tall and said with confidence, "I will not remain a mere spectator. I will try. I will fly." He began gathering materials, crafting wings, and experimenting. He failed time and again, but he never stopped trying. The path was not easy. It was filled with fear and difficult challenges. However, his passion was stronger than any obstacle. On a historic day, he climbed to a high peak. The people gathered around, watching in utter amazement. He spread his wings, closed his eyes for a brief moment, and then, he jumped. For a few seconds, he soared through the air. It felt like a dream coming true, the first human to ever dare to fly. Although it wasn't a perfect flight as we know it today, his attempt was the spark for a grand idea. The idea that man could reach the skies. And so, Abbas ibn Firnas was not just an ordinary man, he was a visionary ahead of his time, and the beginning of the journey that eventually took humanity to the stars.